Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Learn Differently. Today we will come to know about the tricks which are very helpful to remember the periodic table. So first of all, start from a column, first column of periodic table, that is alkali metals. Although hydrogen is not alkali metal, but it is placed above this group. So if you want to remember all the alkali metals, then HLI, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. How can you remember it? By a trick that हाली ने की रब से फरियाद. Okay, हाली ने की रब से फरियाद. Now our second group, alkaline earth metals, we will learn it in the way B मज का सर बड़ा, B बेरिलियम, मज मैग्नीशियम का कैल्शियम सर, स्ट्रॉन्शियम बेरिलियम और रड़ा रेडियम. Now we will see the third period of group A element, third group of periodic table, which is A group, that boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, Bu Ali gaye India, Thailand. Bu Ali gaye India, Thailand. Now let us talk about the fourth group, C, carbon, silicon, germanium, stainless, tin and plumbus. So Sassi gayi Sindh Punjab. Okay, now Sassi gayi Sindh Punjab. Sassi seen carbon, C silicon, gayi gallium, Sindh stainless, plumbus Punjab. Okay, now our next one group is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, stibbium, bismuth. Is how we will learn it? N for nitrogen, N for Na, P for phosphorus, P, AS, SC, SB Sharab, BR Balma, Na P SC Sharab Balma. And you can also say never pass Sibbi. Okay. Now next one is oxygen, then sulfur, then selenium, then tellurium. And how will you remember them? O Sassi Tera Punnu. O Sassi Tera Punnu. Now we have halogens, F fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fazaiya for fluorine, colony for chlorine, Bharat for bromine, I for iodine, and 8 बजे for astatine. Fazaiya colony, Bharat, I 8 बजे. Fazaiya colony, Bharat, I 8 बजे. And then noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Hello Nasreen, hello for helium, neon for Nasreen. AR आओ, KR cry, X-ray. Hello Nasreen, आओ कराए X-ray. Now I am repeating it for you. I hope you will I hope you will find it very helpful. First mnemonic, which is for remembering alkali metals, is very common, and you must know about this, that हाली ने की रब से फरियाद. हा हाइड्रोजन, ली लिथियम, ने सोडियम, की पोटेशियम, रब रुबिडियम, से सीजियम, फरियाद फ्रेंशियम. Okay, हाली ने की रब से फरियाद. Now we will move towards alkaline earth metals, B beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. How we will say B maj ka sar bada, B mag ka sar bada. And when we come towards the third group, A group, then it comes out to be boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Bu Ali gaye India, Thailand. Bu Ali gaye India, Thailand. And now other groups, C carbon, silicon, germanium, stainless, plumbus. Sassi gayi Sindh Punjab. Sassi gayi Sindh. C for carbon, Sassi silicon, gayi gallium, stainless, tin, Sindh and Punjab, plumbus. Okay. Now, na P ऐसी शराब बलमा, na never pass Sibbi. You can also write never pass Sibbi. Na P S, या फिर you can write na PSC Sharab Balma. Okay, so it is a better way to remember it. And then this one, O Sassi Tera Punnu, and Fazaiya colony Bharat I 8 baje, and hello Nasreen Aao Kanaye X-ray. You just have to remember these mnemonics, and you will be easily remembering the periodic table. Now let's move about it कि अगर हम लोगों को एक पीरियड के अंदर याद करना हो कि इस पीरियड में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं और किस किस तरतीब के साथ आते हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे. देखिए, जो हमारा फर्स्ट ग्रुप है ना, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, और फिर ये आगे जाके बोरॉन, और फिर ये इधर से स्टार्ट होता है कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, नियॉन. इसको याद करने का एक टिप है, देखिए लिथियम बेरिलियम, लिसन लिथियम, लिसन बेरिलियम बोरॉन, सॉरी बेरिलियम बी, बी बोरॉन बी, C, yeah, like it is listen BBC news of Friday night. N for news, N for nitrogen, O for off, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, F for Friday, NE for night. Listen BBC news of Friday night. Listen BBC news of Friday night. And similarly, your next category, in which we are dealing with sodium, magnesium, and over here we are dealing with aluminium and silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. So we will say Na, Na, नाले, Mg में, ALSI P's कर A. It is a very stupid mnemonic, but you will easily learn it. You know what is Alc? So नाले में Alc P's कर A. Okay, नाले में Alc P's कर A. Okay, and now I'm repeating it for you that if you need to study second period all of A group, then you will say listen B, C, National Organization of Nation or News of Friday night. Listen BBC News of Friday night. Listen BBC News of Friday night. Nale mein Al C Peace kar. I hope you are getting this point. I hope you are finding it easy. Now, let's talk about this first transition series of transition elements, group B elements, in which there is cadmium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. You will say Sc scandium, we call it school. Ti titanium, we call it tie. School tie, V for vanadium, Vale. Cr crowd, okay. Cr chromium, crowd. Mn manganese, May. Fe fear, Fe iron, fear. Co cobalt, koi. Ni for nahi, nickel. Cu for copper, cousin. Z for these two words are compound words, cousin. Zn for zinc, cousin. The actual mnemonic is this one, school tie वाले crowd में कोई नहीं cousin. School tie वाले crowd में कोई नहीं cousin. And one more mnemonic if you find it easy. सुनो, Sc scandium, सुनो, तुम, Ti for titanium, तुम, V for vanadium, विवाह, Cr for chromium, कराओ, Mn for manganese, मुझसे, Fe for iron, फिर, Co for cobalt, कोई, Ni for nickel, नहीं, Cu कहेगा, copper कहेगा, Zn जानू. Okay, you have to focus on N, that Zn, zinc. So जानू. सुनो तुम विवाह करो मुझसे फिर कोई नहीं कहेगा जानू. Okay, but it's really not much sensible. The best one is school टाली वाले crowd में fear कोई नहीं cousin. School टाली वाले crowd में fear कोई नहीं cousin. School टाली वाले crowd में fear कोई नहीं cousin. Okay, so now let us, this is all due to this video is made to make your concept easy and clear, and like a crystal clear concept about periodic table elements and how to remember them. Now I am giving you some reasons why hydrogen is called hydrogen. Hydrogen is called hydrogen because the word hydra means water and gen means former. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it forms water. Hydro means water, gen means former. It is water former. Why oxygen is called oxygen? Because the word oxy means flame. Oxygen is used as a combustible material. It causes flame to ignite. So that's why oxys, it has come from the word oxy, so oxygen means flame. I am telling you why chlorine is called chlorine. Why chlorine is always called chlorine? Because the word chloro means green. So chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. That's why it is called chlorine, because it's a greenish yellow gas. And similarly, you have studied one thing in your biology, chlorophyll. Chloro means green, phyll means leaf, green leaf. Okay, and you know the chlorophyll is a pigment and its color is green. I will also tell you about some other elements, just like lithium. Lithium is in stone form and litho means stone. Okay, now I will tell you that this sodium, Why it is why it is written as Na? Why it is written Na? Why it is not written SOD like sodium? So it is written Na because the Latin name for sodium is natrium. What is the Latin name for sodium? Natrium, natrium. While the name of sodium is from Greek, and the Na natrium name is from Latin. So that's short form Na is written. Okay. I hope you're getting my point. So I think that it is enough for today. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you for your patience. And if you still feel any confusion, you may ask in comments. Thank you so much.